All right, should we play Wilmington again? A couple guys that I think we could possibly face would be Matt Boyko, Kyle Maxwell, who we faced before. Off chance we see Warrington, I assume they're going to throw him in game one against Felician. Rich Albrecht, who we saw in relief, or Tyler Reiner, who we have not seen. Let's go over Boyko real quick. Boyko 84, 86. He's got really good secondary stuff. Kind of reminds me of a longer levered version of Wilfredo. So we'll throw the fastball again, 84, 86, but really good breaking ball, really good changeup. Maxwell 85 to 87. Good spit there, Meach. Off. Mixes well, will burn the fastball in. He did fairly good job against us in the game that we won 5-0. We got to him as the game went on. Reiner, as you can see, just all over the zone, kind of sprays it. Upper 80s fastball guy. We'll throw the slider off of it. Was one of their weekend guys this year. Was a good pitcher in high school, but looking at his he does strike out a good amount of guys, but looking at his spray chart, he's kind of all over the place with command. So I think if we get him, we need to stay on the fastball, but we need to hunt more a more location based approach off of Tyler Reiner. Spin will back up on him from time to time. Rich Albrecht, another candidate to see either out of the pen or starting for them. Upper 80s right-handed pitcher that has a really good splitter to go with it. Splitter's hard as well. Splitter's about 83 to 85. It's got pretty good action on it. And we faced him in relief at their place in game 1. We need to hunt the ball up off Rich. See if we can get a better look at the splitter. Not a great look at the splitter, a good look at Paul's ass. Let's see if out of the pen, Barkowski, a guy that they will sneak in and out of the game. Low 80s right-handed pitcher. Fastball changeup. A lefty I felt like we did a good job on when he came in. We just need to lean on him. Here's Marr welcoming him to the Doyle. Whack! Not much speed difference off of his fastball and changeup either. Only about 4 ticks. 4 or 5 ticks. So a guy that he comes into the game, we just need to look to lean on him. Nate McLean, big old son of a bitch, been pitching hurt most of the year. Throws that high glove side coming at you and then delivers the baseball out of it. Upper 80s, low 90s, right-handed pitcher. Need to hunt the fastball on him. Breaking ball, when he gets it down in the zone, has really good depth. Guy that they planned on coming in and starting for him this year got hurt a little bit, so pitched out of their bullpen. Played with more at Lackawanna. Quick look at Dom Grady, their guy out of the pen. High strikeout, low walk guy. Electric arm. Upper 80s, low 90s fastball. Guy we did face at our place. It's a good take, Mr. Baggs. Here's a look at the slider. And the last one, I think it's unlikely that we see just because I feel like he's going to throw game one, is Matt Warrington, a guy that we had on the ropes in a bunch of innings in the first game at their place and just didn't come up with a big hit to kind of knock him out of the game. But we had a really good approach on him right out of the chute. And I felt like, had our shots. Again, just didn't happen for us that day. But if we get him again, I feel really good. Second time around, get to see this guy. Just a little bit more video on him to roll out the report on Wilmington. Sausage.